Hey, welcome to another episode of Hashtags and Habits, the podcast that makes digital marketing simple for small to mid-sized professional service company business owners. I'm Danny White, and today we are going to go a bit deeper into ChatGPT and how you can use it, especially if you're a new and up-and-coming business owner. I'm focusing on new business owners here, those who are just getting started or in their first 12 months of business. But if you're beyond that mark and still trying to figure out how ChatGPT can be used to make your content creation, email marketing, and social media posting more efficient, please stick around and take some notes. In episode 10 of this podcast, I discussed some things you should know about ChatGPT and some preliminary information on how you can use this new AI-powered platform that has been the talk of the marketing world since its release. If you've not listened to that episode, please go back and take a listen when you get a chance. It's episode 10. Before we get into these top 5 prompts that I suggest new business owners use for ChatGPT to get started, let me say that ChatGPT is not a total replacement for actual, unique writing. Instead, it should serve as a companion tool to your work. It should help you produce content more efficiently. It should give you ideas to help form the basis of your content calendar. If you're using a content calendar and a social calendar in your business, please do not go into ChatGPT, insert a prompt, and then repost or republish exactly what it gives you. The data in ChatGPT is not up to the present day up to date, but it will give you good foundational copy for you to be able to eliminate writer's block and proceed with regular content creation. We are not yet at the point where artificial intelligence can run an entire business and pivot with all the fluctuations and changes that business owners see on a daily basis. But if you're a startup and you're needing to get some things up and running, tools like ChatGPT and others can be very helpful. So let's get into it. If you're a new business owner, you're likely looking at getting a few critical things, right? You may need assistance writing a business plan. You may need help coming up with a name for your company or a tagline or slogan that represents who you are and what you do. You may need assistance brainstorming ideas for your first couple of blog posts or announcement posts on social media. You might need some competitor research and analysis to help you discover who else is in your marketplace. Further, you may just want a checklist of to-do items for how you should be setting up your business. ChatGPT can assist you in each of these scenarios. Let's start with your business name. You'll want to open up ChatGPT. If you've not signed up for an account yet, this is your time to do so. The prompt here would be, this is what you're going to type as the prompt, give me 5 business names for a lawn care business. This is an example. You will need to put in your actual business industry in that lawn care business space. So for example, give me 5 business names for a dental office, or give me 5 business names for a law firm, okay? ChatGPT, when I typed this prompt in, gave me 5 potential business names for a lawn care business. This is what it said: Green Care Lawn Services, Perfect Lawn Solutions, Pro Lawn Care Co., Green Dreams Lawn Care, Precision Lawn Care Services. If you don't love the names it spits out first, then click the regenerate response and it will give you another batch of 5 new names for you to consider. Let's move on to the domain name. The domain name is what you will use for your business and all of your digital real estate. It is important and it should match the business name you choose. Providing I went with the first name for my lawn care business that ChatGPT gave me, which was Green Care Lawn Services, the prompt for ChatGPT to give me some domain options would be this: give me 5 examples of a domain name for Green Care Lawn Services. ChatGPT gave me these possible domain options: greencarelawn.com, greencarelawnservices.net, greencarelawnsolutions.com, greencareyard.com, greencarelawnpros.com. Pretty good, right? Now you need to go to GoDaddy or wherever you prefer to buy your website domain and see if the domain name you chose is available for purchase. A name and a domain name are the first two things you should check off as a new business owner. Now let's move to the third prompt, which would be a checklist for what we need to do to set up our business correctly. In ChatGPT, we're going to type this prompt: create a checklist for setting up my lawn care business in Texas. You will definitely want to replace the type of business and the state with your own. I'm in Texas, so I put Texas as the state for this pseudo lawn care business. I actually don't own a lawn care business. So, ChatGPT spit out 10 items that should be on your new business checklist. While it gives not only the task, but some brief information on why the task is important, I'm going to give you the 10 items in a list on this episode only. If you want to read the rest of the information that ChatGPT produced, go and enter the prompt, create a checklist for setting up my lawn care business in Texas. All right, so here's the checklist. Number 1, research local laws and regulations. Number 2, choose a business structure. Number 3, register your business. Number 4, obtain necessary licenses and permits. Number 5, get insurance. Number 6, purchase equipment and supplies. Number 7, create a pricing and billing structure. Number 8, market your business. Number 9, hire employees or contractors. Number 10, establish customer relationships. Did it do a decent job or not? I think it did. Now you should still go and consult a business attorney, a business banker, a tax specialist, all of those important things, but you don't have to wait on anyone or even pay anyone thousands of dollars just to start your business and get it up and running. Now let's talk about that website copy. Once you get the domain name and start creating your website, you're going to need compelling copy to attract your ideal client. ChatGPT can help with this as well. The prompt that I put into ChatGPT is this: write homepage copy for my lawn care business. Typed just like that. Of course, you will change the end part to your business and your industry, as I've mentioned earlier. ChatGPT spit out 4 fairly concrete paragraphs. I'm not going to read those paragraphs here to help, but they spit them out. They help you get started in crafting the content you need for your website. If you want to see that content, go to ChatGPT, type in the prompts, write homepage copy for my lawn care business. The content now, as a new business owner, the content might feel solid, but it is not complete until you have edited the copy to match your company's voice, brand, style, tone. Remember, cut and paste is not the way to go. There will soon be tools that will help to identify whether or not you have actually written the copy as a person or if an AI-produced machine has actually produced this copy. And good old Google search is going to likely penalize you for that, and we don't want that. Number 5, the 5th prompt you can use as a new business owner is for your business plan. You will go to ChatGPT and type in this prompt: write a business plan for my lawn care business in Texas. ChatGPT will give you the basic outline for your overall business plan, including the executive summary, market analysis, service offerings, marketing strategy, financial projections, management team, and a very conclusive summary. This is especially useful if you're looking to get funding or capital for your business right off the bat, and depending on who you're going to, they may want to see a plan for your business. ChatGPT helps to give you a running start in crafting your plan. Guys, you can use ChatGPT for almost any type of content that you need. The key is to enter the right kind of prompts so you can get the right type of results. Like most things, this tool works if you work it right. If you want to take more of a deep dive into ChatGPT and how it relates to content and the benefits of using it effectively in your business, you will definitely want to get a copy of my upcoming book, ChatGPT for Content Marketing, a step-by-step guide for professional service company owners to creating content consistently. This book will be released in early July 2023, and I am quite excited about it. It is going to be filled with all of my ideas about ChatGPT, as well as well over 1,000 prompts that you can use in your business. Thank you guys for listening. Can't wait to see you on the next episode. Thanks for listening to this episode of Hashtags and Habits. If you want to learn more about digital marketing strategies specific to your business, let's discuss. You'll find our website and email address, as well as any resources I've noted in this episode in the show notes. We also want to hear your questions, so DM us on any of the social platforms at Hashtags and Habits everywhere. If you like what you hear and want to hear more, subscribe to our podcast, subscribe to our newsletter at hashtagsandhabits.com, or leave us a review on any of the podcast platforms. I'd greatly appreciate it. Until next time, remember that marketing is not easy, but it can be simple.